Season 1 Episode 7, Superhero Man and the Tornado.
The Superhero Man Show.
What is all of that noise? I'm trying to watch Taco Bell reviews in here but I can't hear it. I'm going to turn on the news.
There is a tornado in Plotagon City.
Lock your doors and prepare your house for the tornado.
I'm not falling for that. It's probably just my stupid air conditioning. No, why am I on the moon again? I will fly back to Earth by farting. No, not Taco Bell. Anyway, at least it's over. Not this again. Where am I? I wish it was Taco Bell. I might as well go inside.
Why are you here? Who are you?
Buy me Taco Bell.
Why have Taco Bell when you can have KFC?
I like Taco Bell better than KFC.
You just made a huge mistake.
No, I didn't. Stop trying to look intimidating.
Guards, get him.
Get me out of here.
Yes! Plotagon City is destroyed. That tornado worked perfectly.
Why exactly did you destroy it?
Because they recently built a Popeyes there, and I don't want competition.
Well, that is the stupidest decision you've ever made. You could have just destroyed the Popeyes.
That city was stupid enough to open one.
Besides, I kinda like Popeyes fried chicken better than yours anyway.
Do you want to get fired?
No, okay. I'm sorry.
Can you get that chicken guy from earlier ready for the experiment?
What experiment?
You'll find out.